Do you know that banks in Kenya are suffering with a very high default rate currently? A lot of businesses and individuals are having a rough time paying back loans. So many banks are shying off from giving loans to small and medium enterprises. You as a small business, what do you think banks look for when you submit your application? As I said, many banks are shying off from giving loans to small and medium enterprises. So then how do you raise your chances of getting that loan facility approved? I'm going to share with you 3 tips that will help you raise chances of securing a loan facility with a bank or a financial institution. Financial institutions and banks make credit decisions at the credit committee level. Make sure you give enough information about your business and the purpose of that loan application to the relationship officer so that that particular officer can be able to support your application and defend it with the credit committee. The second tip that I'm going to give you that will raise your chances is your CRB rating. CRB is Credit Reference Bureau. This bureau is used by banks, microfinances, and other financial institutions to see whether this particular applicant is a good borrower. The bureau has information of different loans that you have taken from other institutions, and institutions can be able to see whether you have been paying those facilities or not. It is very important that you have a good rating of CRB. As a rating or a score of 700 and above is preferred by banks and many financial institutions. Before you submit that application to your bank or to your financial institutions, you may want to check your CRB report, check your score, see if it's 700 and above. If it is, then you have a high chance of securing a loan facility. And if it's low, work towards improving that score. Number 3, or the last tip, is what I have been advocating for many days and many years: record keeping. Make sure you have your records in order. Any documentation that you're asked to submit, you're able to submit. Any financial statements that you're asked to prepare and submit, you're able to prepare them, submit them in good time, and make sure they are accurate. With these 3 tips, I'm not saying you're going to get funded, but you have a high chance of getting your loan facility approved. There are other factors that banks look for. I will share these other factors in my future series, but work on the 3 tips for now. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next week.